Listen up, Costco shoppers. I'm gonna show you the healthiest items to buy with the best quality ingredients and show you those low Costco prices. And I'll show you what to avoid. This is your ultimate guide to shopping at Costco in 2026. Let's get going. This is one of the best frozen meat items you can get at Costco. And since we're starting the video with meat and seafood, these are burgers, but not just any burgers. 100% grass-fed beef burger patties that are frozen, and look what it says. They're 80-20. My biggest issue with grass-fed beef is sometimes it's lean. Well, 80-20 has a little more fat. Fat is flavor. They're pre-portioned for you already. To get them at $6.39 a pound in this shape already is an amazing deal, considering regular beef patties are $5.33. Those are GMO, factory farmed. This is 100% grass-fed. You gotta get it. So many people buy the wrong type of salmon from Costco. They get this one, the farm-raised salmon. What you wanna do is get this beautiful wild salmon. Why is the color so different? This is wild. That color comes from naturally swimming and eating a real diet. This is in a pen in the ocean, and it eats a man-made feed of GMO grain. This is the color of actual farm salmon, and they add beta carotene to it. This is way more nutrient dense for you and I. And yes, it's $13.99, so a little more than the farm salmon, but wild salmon is the best you want. You don't want the factory farmed, and they got the good stuff here at Costco. And the same rule applies to shrimp. A lot of it at the store, including Costco, is farm raised, and it's almost always from Southeast Asia. The farming practices are not high quality, and once again, they're in overcrowded pens with a bad quality man-made feed, but every Costco has it, usually a couple varieties. These are wild-caught red shrimp from Argentina, and they usually have wild-caught shrimp from the USA. That's what you want. It always boggles my mind that 40% of Americans have never eaten lamb. You're missing out, and lamb chops are my favorite. And look at these. They're product of Australia, and they're 100% grass-fed. And wait for it, they're $16 a pound. They're normally $25 a pound at most grocery stores. High in protein, mineral, and iron. Just cut it into individual chops like I'm gonna do tonight. Put it on the grill. They are delicious. They will convert you over to a lamb eater. They're going in my cart. So when it comes to meat and seafood, those are the items I would get. Now let's move on to snacks. And look at this, it's the biggest bag of Bobby approved potato chips. They're cooked in seed oils? No, it's potatoes cooked in avocado oil. For the longest time, Costco never had any good chips. Now they have so many, like this new bag of Siete sour cream and onion. Yes, it's cooked in avocado oil, but they have organic sour cream, organic milk, real garlic, real dill. These are amazing, along with tortilla chips. Now these are cool, they've been here a long time. They're paleo grain-free tortilla chips. Most chips are made from corn. These are made of cassava, and they're cooked in avocado oil too. Almost all tortilla chips, organic or not, are fried in what? Seed oils, like vegetable oil. These aren't. We have 3 amazing chips to choose from in the snack aisle. How about even more? When we look at sweet snacks, you have to stop here, because these crispy coconut rollers are my favorite. They're so crispy and slightly sweet. Look at these ingredients, guys. Organic coconut milk, touch of sugar, touch of coconut sugar, organic eggs, and sesame seeds. This is interesting because it does have cane sugar, but 9 rolls only has 4 grams of added sugar. So actually, if you broke out the Bobby approved app, you'd see it's something yellow thumbs up, which is almost Bobby approved because it has a touch of sugar in here. But compared to other sweet treats, this is best in class, and I can personally vouch for it. It is delicious. Remember Mounds bars when you were a kid? This is a very clean version of it. It's an Unreal bar, and the ingredients are so close to being perfect. It's coconut, the primary sweetener is cassava, and the dark chocolate has a touch of cane sugar along with vanilla. But one mini bar only has 3 grams of added sugar. Once again, not perfect, but compared to most chocolate treats, really clean and way less cane sugar. They're delicious. You have 1 or 2 and you're good to go. While I love a beef stick, especially when I make these videos for 3 hours in the grocery store, Kirkland has a new grass-fed beef stick, but unfortunately, when you scan it with the Bobby approved app, it's not approved. Why? Well, I like a lot of things, but see that one ingredient, yeast extract there? That's a man-made flavor enhancer. It's slightly better than MSG, but it's not a good ingredient that you want, especially when you can just get either Country Archer Minis or the Chomps. They also use grass-fed beef, but the ingredient list is perfectly clean. And remember, my friends, when you're in doubt at the grocery store, just break out my free app. It has over 125,000 five-star ratings on the Apple App Store. It also has Shop by Store. So if you click on Costco, it'll show you all the Bobby approved products here. It highlights bad ingredients in all products, tells you why they're bad, and gives you a better alternative. It's like having me go shopping with you, and it's free. Apple App Store, Google Play Store. I'll put the link to download in the description box. This could be one of the most nutritious snacks in all of Costco. It's sprouted organic pumpkin seeds. Fun fact, when you sprout a seed, it unlocks more nutrition for us and it's easier to digest. And the ingredients are clean, yes, but look at the amount of vitamins in here. A serving has 60% of your daily value of manganese, 35% copper, 40% magnesium, 30% phosphorus, and more. You talk about that, plus 8 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, nutrient dense, and it fills us up. And it's a great price. That goes in my cart, and that rounds out the ultimate snacks that I would buy at Costco. Now we're gonna move on to pantry items like extra virgin olive oil. And I'm happy to say Costco has some of the best oils in the business. This is extra virgin olive oil in glass bottles, not just from Italy, it's only from the Bari region. And see that stamp right there? That means it's legit, made under very tight regulations. You don't have to worry about this being fake. They also have a beautiful glass bottle of extra virgin olive oil, not just from Spain, only from the Sirana region. High quality, or how about unfiltered oil? Once again, in glass bottles from Spain. All of them have great prices and they're all available at Costco. It took years for Costco to get a Bobby approved bread, but they finally have it. It's organic sourdough loaves. This came here in late 2025 and we hope it's here to stay because look at these ingredients. It's made with organic wheat flour, salt, and natural enzymes. This is the way sourdough is meant to be made. Naturally fermented, which makes it incredibly easy to digest and gut friendly. You get 2 massive loaves for $8. That is awesome. Quick break from the video to throw some love at the sponsor, Armra Colostrum. My link down below gets you 20% off your first order. And yes, this is a paid partnership with Armra, but I've been using their colostrum forever. Because inside here is pure grass-fed Armra colostrum. It comes from the early mother's milk from cattle. Think about this for a second. What lives in colostrum? The backbone of the immune system, which is so darn good for you and I. And it says it right here on the side. It's grass-fed, yes, but they use cold chain technology. That means there's no heat ever added. So look what it says right here. The hundreds of living bioactives in this colostrum are never damaged with the heat. You talk about benefits for your gut barrier, immune barrier, respiratory barrier, and more. It is legit. I take a dry scoop of this on my mouth every day or put it into a smoothie. If you're in the market, try Armra Colostrum. My link down below gets you 20% off your first order. This stuff is phenomenal. If you're looking for the best red sauce at Costco, it's not Rayo's anymore. It's Paesanas, which is cheaper and superior. Why? Well, look at this. This is organic tomato basil sauce. And the ingredients are epic. It's made with Italian tomatoes, real vegetables, and extra virgin olive oil. The best you can do, my friends. Rayo's is deceiving. See on the ingredient list where it says it's made with olive oil? We found out that it's actually a combination of refined olive oil and regular olive oil. Refined is highly processed. You don't want that. This is what you want. It's delicious. You get 2 of these for $8.79. No brainer. If you mosey over to the cereal section, these are not just the best oats at Costco. These are the best in any grocery store. They're not just organic. They're glyphosate free and sprouted. The sprouted oats are very nutrient dense, and oats can be a magnet for glyphosate, the active ingredient in Roundup. These are certified glyphosate free and organic. That price is 50% cheaper than any grocery store. And for cereal, this is a Bobby approved Cocoa Puffs from 7 Sundays. It's made with tapioca and sunflower protein. It's sweetened with dates and coconut sugar. But wait for it, a cup serving has less than a gram of added sugar. These are delicious. I eat it on the couch at night watching TV. You can't do any better. Can we just agree that the Kirkland organic peanut butter is the best? The flavor of the roasted peanuts and the creamy texture is amazing. And unlike Jiffy, the stuff we grew up with, look at the ingredients. It doesn't have added sugar or palm oil. It's perfect. You get 2 of these for $10 if you're an almond butter fan. Look at the ingredients. It's just almonds and that's it. And the price is amazing compared to most grocery stores. And during the year, they'll rotate the flavor. But this smashed jam is one of the few that doesn't have added sugar. It's only sweetened with real fruit juice, and they put some chia seeds in there also, and the price is great. All 3 you can beat. Not all canned tuna is created equally. See where this says 43 grams of protein per can? That's because the larger the tuna, the more protein. This is ahi tuna. The problem is, usually the larger the tuna, the more mercury, except for this brand. See what it says right here? Every tuna mercury tested on the back, less than 0.1 parts per million, so low that it's pregnancy safe. Protein goals are a real deal, which is why this will have a lot more protein per ounce than skipjack tuna. At that price, make your tuna salad with this. This is the type of salt we all grew up on, but it's not the kind you want to use because this is a highly bleached processed salt that has anti-caking agents added. Luckily, you have 2 other great options at Costco. This is the Kirkland unrefined sea salt. This is completely unprocessed and unbleached, and it's a great price. But if you want top shelf, they now carry Fleur de Sel. This is French Celtic salt, hand harvested from France. It is so delicious. It has 90 trace minerals and it's completely raw, unbleached. It's a little more expensive, but it's great, great stuff. And my friends, if you're still watching the video at this point, make sure to subscribe. We drop videos like this all year long. And see this stat? Over 85% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Join the 10 million plus community members. You don't want to miss out. That's it for pantry items. Now we move on to dairy, and more specifically, butter, which we go through a lot in my house, and this is the best they got at Costco. It's the Kirkland Grass-Fed New Zealand European style butter. Look what it says here. It's 95% grass-fed, 5% non-GMO supplemental feed. Wait for it, 4 8-ounce bricks for $11.99. This is way cheaper per pound than Kerrygold. And European style butter compared to American style is way better because Euro has more fat. Butter is fat. We want it and I want it in my cart. So many cheeses to choose from, but 2 of the best in my opinion would be Kerrygold Dubliner. First of all, the price per pound is so much cheaper than any other grocery store, but this is made from Irish grass-fed milk, as it says right there. And the cattle are 95% grass-fed, and that 5% supplemental feed is non-GMO. I love Dubliner, and I love that price. And by the way, do not sleep on the Kirkland cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano from Parma, Italy, aged for 2 years in Parma, Italy. They don't allow any GMOs. This is real deal. Most grocery stores have this for $22 to $25 a pound. This is unbelievable cheeses. The best yogurt at Costco is the Kirkland brand. Why? It's organic Greek yogurt. The benefit of Greek strain yogurt is a 2/3 cup serving has 18 grams of protein. Did you know when you strain yogurt, you intensify the protein and you filter out some of the lactose, which is the natural sugar in there. I do wish it was whole milk yogurt because those are healthy fats, but still at Costco, this is the best you can do. A big tub for $7? Yes, please. Does your Costco have pasture-raised eggs? I've seen it throughout the country, but I've never had it here. Those are the best eggs at Costco, but if you don't have it, this here's the second best option. They're organic free-range eggs. You get 2 dozen for that price, which is amazing. Remember, you are what you eat eats. So if the chickens are having a GMO feed, you're having GMOs too. So get either pasture-raised or organic. That rounds out my grocery list for dairy. Now we move on to frozen and refrigerated items. And maybe my favorite item in this whole video is this sauerkraut. It's not just any sauerkraut, it's probiotic fermented sauerkraut. It lives in the fridge case because look at the ingredients. It doesn't have any vinegar. Because of that, it's got billions of living bacteria in there that are incredibly gut friendly. If you're looking for a healthier gut friendly diet in 2026, this should be a staple of that. Don't heat it up, eat it raw. The price is amazing. I'm also gonna link to a video right here of the most gut-friendly foods that you can eat for a healthy gut in 2026. There's nothing I like more than a turkey sandwich or a turkey wrap. Costco has the best deal ever on organic turkey breast. Look at the ingredients. It's just turkey, water, and salt. No funny additives, no sugar, no fillers. See that price of $10.60 a pound? Go to any other grocery store. Most organic sliced turkey meat is $16 to $18 a pound. I love this. Remember, we are what we eat. So if our turkey has an organic non-GMO feed, we are avoiding the GMOs too. Sometimes you just want a main dish for dinner done for you already. They're usually not Bobby approved, but this is. They're Amy Lou organic caramelized onion and white cheddar burgers. I could vouch for them. They're delicious. And look at the ingredients. Organic chicken, organic cheese, caramelized onions. Yes, it does have evaporated cane sugar, but it's 1 gram per burger. We allow it for this one. It also has 19 grams of protein per patty at $8 per pound for organic chicken. That's cool. And if you want a Polish sausage, these are amazing. They're 100% grass-fed beef Teton. Look at the ingredients. Grass-fed beef, seasoning, and nothing else. One link has 12 grams of protein and 18 grams of fat. You get that at $8 a pound, and these are done for you already. Very nice on a weeknight when you need a quick dinner. My biggest issue with a lot of these cold pressed juices is they have a lot of natural sugar, but not the uber greens from Suja. And my friends, these are normally $3 a bottle. In most grocery stores, you get 6 for $13. It's organic. It's also cold pressed, high pressure pasteurized. They don't nuke it with heat. They pasteurize with pressure, making it more nutrient dense. 7 grams of natural sugar because it's made with cucumbers, celery, kale, lemon, parsley, and more. I love this one. I love the flavor, and it's really, really good for you, and you can't beat the price. So when it comes to refrigerator and frozen items, that rounds out the list. There it is, friends, your ultimate guide to shopping at Costco in 2026. I wrote the full grocery list in the description box down below. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, all those good things, but I'll see you soon. Until then, hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love from me to you, and peace. Bye.